guys, it's April. This is our Monday, Mix It Up Monday for the 21st. And we are going to just show you really quick how to assemble this card. Super easy, quick, and simple. You're going to cut your card base and you're just going to open it up. Now, I foiled mine. If you don't want to foil yours, you don't have to. You can use pen. Whatever you want. I did foil the front of mine as well. You can do whatever you want. You can use a pattern paper for this piece. Anything you want. Mix it up and do it the way that you want to do it. This is a pattern paper that I had, but I am not going to... I'm going to use the solid behind my flowers because I don't want to distract. And then I'm going to flip this over for my panel. But you're just going to fold on this first score line. Oops, don't want to bend it. And that is a mountain fold, okay? You want to fold it back towards the center of the card. And of course, you're going to fold down the center. You don't want to fold this piece at all, okay? That piece is just going to be like it is. All right, so we're going to fold right there, and it should look just like this. Then we're going to start gluing it together. So we're just going to get our glue going here. And we're going to place that piece right on the top. You want to line that up, of course. Nice and pretty. Then you're going to take your decorative piece, or the one that I foiled with the sunflowers. And again, you can have yours draw if you want. You could do a really light pattern. And my glue is going to clog again. I think I got enough on there though. We're just going to line that piece up right on the top of that. I want to line that a little bit better. I don't know why I'm having a glue issue here today. There we go. Didn't want to give me any slide. I didn't have enough. There we go. And this bright yellow that I have is like a watercolor type, so it's got light and darks in it. May not show up on camera. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to do the dots here. I think that I do. I could be wrong, but I think I do. So I'm just going to glue this piece. Now this piece is going to glue even right to there. So you want that on nice and straight. It should just meet up perfectly with the back. And then we're going to open it up, and this is where our sentiment's going to go. I think I just got glue on there. I don't want that on there. We're going to line that up right on the center of that. Okay. So when it's open, it's going to look just like so. How cute. And if you want to do another sentiment over here, you can do that too. I think I put the dots up here too. So we're just going to glue this piece on. And that's just to give it some interest on this side. Got plenty of room to write anything that you want to write there. Write messages or notes. And again, this piece glues all the way in there. Just don't want to bend it. Just gonna make sure that I've got it even. And then we're going to glue this panel over here. Now the foiling did take some time because I did have a lot on there, but you can change that out for any image that you want. Or, like I said, cut pattern papers. I just left the images in there in case you wanted to replicate this. But yeah, anything. The base will work for any of your cards. And I might put a bow on there. I don't know. I may just do some. I think I'm just going to leave that. I think less is more in this case. All right. Super easy and simple. Fun, fun, fun. You guys enjoy this tutorial. I will catch you on Thursday for Tutorial Thursdays on YouTube, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day.